Believe in your dreams and work hard to make them a reality. You have the power to create your own future. Success is not measured by the number of followers or likes, but by the impact you have on others. Never underestimate the power of kindness. Small acts of goodness can make a big difference in someone's life. Be yourself and embrace your uniqueness. There's beauty in being different. Chase your passions and surround yourself with people who inspire and uplift you. Stay humble and grounded, no matter how successful you become. Remember where you started and appreciate the journey. It's okay to make mistakes, that's how we learn and grow. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Take care of yourself, both physically and mentally. Self-care is essential for overall well-being. Be grateful for the opportunities that come your way and make the most of them. Appreciate every experience, whether big or small. Keep pushing yourself to learn and improve. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Love is when you don't know why you seem to be attracted to that person. Love is strong yet delicate. It can be broken. To truly love is to understand this. To be in love is to respect this. True love never dies, it only gets stronger with time. There is never a time or place for true love. It happens accidentally, in a heartbeat, in a single flashing, throbbing moment. I can't find the words to express how much I love you. So take this tear from my cheek, and know that it was shed for you. Love isn't about finding the perfect person. Love is about finding an imperfect person, and seeing perfection. The way you started loving her is the way she should always be loved. I've built a wall not to keep love out but to see who loves me enough to climb it. The biggest coward is a man who awakens a woman's love with no intention of loving her. Loving you is like breathing. How can I stop?